Bobbi Brown just released this product. It's a vitamin enriched pressed powder, and it says it has vitamin B5, tone refining finishing powder, and this is what it looks like. House Labs concealer. This is in the number 10, light golden. Okay, so this is 10 light golden, and I'm going to do a light layer just to cover the under eyes. Okay, I'm gonna hit some other spots now, like over here, yeah, maybe that's it. Huda brush, as always. My favorite concealer brush. I'm gonna go here. What they're saying about the Bobbi Brown. So this is vitamin enriched powder, pressed powder, vitamin B5, tone refining finishing powder. It's in the color yellow, and it says vitamin enriched pressed powder, finish makeup with a vitamin infused lightweight powder. And okay, so that's what it looks like. It's yellow, and that is the reason why I was attracted to it. So finish makeup with vitamin infused lightweight powder. Formula feels weightless on skin and provides skin balancing benefits for a fresh complexion. What's Sephora saying about it? What it is: a multitasking finishing powder that hydrates, visibly refines skin tone, and absorbs oil all day for a balanced complexion with a fresh, healthy, and even toned look. Coverage is light, finish is natural, formulation is powder. What else you need to know? A powder powered by vitamin B5 and HydroSoft powder technology. This setting powder locks in moisture, boosting hydration over time, while delivering blurring benefits and all-day oil absorption with a silky, soft finish. It also visibly refines skin tone and flexes to suit a range of skin tones. It doesn't say if it's for under the eyes or all over the face. I am going to apply this under the eye. I'm going to go in with a little bit of blending. Okay, now it's in the shade yellow, and I'm going to use a sponge. It really does come out yellow. I love that. This whole time I've been saying I only like yellow stuff. And Bobbi Brown's like, oh, you want yellow? Okay, here you go. Little chicken yellow. Baby chicken yellow. Newborn chicken yellow. Oh, it matches my shirt. I did not even plan that. I like it. I think it brightens my skin. Okay, so there have been a lot of people that really enjoy the pink under eye powder. That pink is not for me. I do not like, I tried it a while ago. I tried it, and it does not do the same for me as yellow does. So if you have not tried And I came across yellow after observing deep skin girls doing yellow. And I'm like, wow, that really brightens, and it looks beautiful. So I tried it and it worked for me. Oh my god. And it does not feel dry. It feels moist, like it's not a drying. Okay, in this section here, my eye, I do have a dry patch. So we are ignoring that because that has nothing to do with the powder. But I do like it. I'm gonna go all over now. Not all, like almost all over. This has impressed me, and I am not impressed easily. Like I have to see a visibly improvement or something that other powders don't do. I am really liking this. Okay, I was just gonna go on one side to test it, but I really like that.